don't blame this on your illness. I just don't like you lighters. Please don't tell my friends. I swore that this was the end. This then would have called an end. Pretend that it's not your fault. Times like these, don't hesitate for please. If I could, I would. I'd take back every word. Your breakdown in slow motion takes me away from here. It's not